So this is what we want the app to do now. So at the beginning, we have a default string and the button's enabled. We can use the toggle to disable and hide as before. And I'm using the mocked data model here. So this isn't actually hitting Azure. This is just using the mocked one. So every time around the loop, we're going to get one of two different errors, and we want to see that they're handled gracefully. Okay, so it says at the beginning, tap the button to fetch a saying. So that's set when the property has data is false. So that's visible. Then we click this to request, and we get the little feedback spinner. Now we've got data, that message has gone away. And we tap through these, and again you get the spinner while the network is busy. And then when we get to the last saying, we're going to wrap round to 0, and this is when I fake an error. So the first error will be like this. So it's going to try, and it's basically saying permission denied. That's where you've got the wrong key, for example, to access the function in the cloud. And that's what you'd get. And this little message dialog gets popped up. Dismiss that. What was there before is left. So we click this again. We're back to the first one. We come through. And this time we're going to get data that isn't in the right format. So this would be, for example, if you were to, or someone else were to change the function in the cloud and return a different format of XML, we get the invalid response back. Okay, and again, when we haven't managed to fetch from the network, this reappears. This is because the has data property on the model is false. Okay, so the visibility of this label is true. So the view model has to do the Boolean flip for that. Okay, and we go back round. Now the other thing I've added, because we want to say who we are, we're proud of our efforts here. We click the About button, and a modal window is pushed in, and we can dismiss it again. Okay, so the question is, how does this all hook up together?